the pedo van.
Yo, don't talk so loud. You might wake up the kids, alright? Chill out, alright?
1, 2, 3, 4.
We're gonna see your parents' house.
Yeah.
You think it's flooded?
I mean, yeah. I think that if you like the pictures, if it's still is like flooded, I'm getting a kayak. Like,
Let's just go swim.
if this is my street, like I feel like it looks bad.
Oh, for the vlog, I'll jump in. 100%.
No.
Yeah, I know. I honestly don't.
Boss level plus 100 after I put these glasses on, bro. Follow me.
Dude.
If we really want to go online, we play Evil Apples.
Evil apples gone.
Yeah.
That was really funny. I'd like to give me a good giggle.
Which one?
Evil apples.
Evil apple. I just feel like I really know all of you better now. Like we all got to see sides of each other that just we didn't know. I didn't like any of it.
Oh, dude.
We were at pasta
No,
before.
I want pasta more. I want tortellini.
Olive Garden it is.
Holy
Shit,
Unlimited
Olive
breadsticks?
dude, Olive
Unlimited
Garden,
breadsticks?
Olive Garden would be so
Unlimited
bussin'.
breadsticks?
Chicken parm, bro.
Everyone agrees with me.
Unlimited
Olive
breadsticks?
Garden.
Unlimited breadsticks? Unlimited breadsticks?
Zaxby's. Hey, salad too, bro.
Oh my gosh, I love
Caesar.
how, like, what
Caesar
they
salad.
give you at Olive Garden, they give you like the salad and the soup and the pasta and the,
You
And the breadsticks and the pasta.
the breadsticks. I think it's worse here than it is by my house.
Honestly, the pedo van would have worked.
Are you serious?
We can't move. I'm getting the gas.
That's not
Bro,
funny.
you can run the red light, bro.
Look at that car. Like, are they okay? Are they okay?
This looks
Look,
like.
over there, if you pass it, bro, those lights, there was no water by those lights.
I feel like we jumped 70 years in the future. It's post-apocalyptic.
I know, right? That's what it feels like.
Like
The
with
streets are empty and you just like us in a truck.
You have the key, right? Did you even grab your key?
Oh no.
Whole way.
Oh, I think it's in here.
No, it's not. It's
No way.
I put it.
she brought it.
We came 30 minutes down south just for her to not have a key. We can't even get in.
I know how to get in. I know how to get in. I know how to get in.
Look through the
Okay.
window.
Yeah. I can do it. I do it all the time.
My parents think right now I'm safe inside the house playing board games with my friend.
I know, they don't know I'm here, bro.
They would never allow this shit to happen.
Make your decision, please.
First,
Going on that ladder?
let me go first, Lily. Oh, we're not going on the ladder?
Well, it's the
Aw.
roof. At least the roof.
It does, but it'll break. It's so rusty, it'll break. It'll fall.
Vlog.
Oh.
This is how I break into my house all the time, but I'm probably not strong enough to do it. I always do. Don't wait, stop trying.
Jack, dude.
Just, am I inside now?
I mean, you can see it.
Okay, let's close that. Bad idea. Wait, actually? Is your whole front lawn flooded?
Alright, Shrek. Fuck it. I can buy vans myself.
Yeah. We didn't come all this way just to sit in the back of a house, alright? We're gonna see what's going on. This is what we're currently working with.
Yep.
Oh. Did you
a window open I can get to.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you want me to go in?
Yeah, if you can, like, safely.
Let's try it. We got lucky. That window's somewhat open. I don't even know if there's a bed on the
I
other.
climb ladders every day of my life.
Yes, sir. You were meant for this job.
I need
You can't get in?
There's a canoe right here.
I'm smaller than you. Maybe I can try.
Yeah, but the canoe's hooked up. Why is there a nail to block this window?
Because there's a hurricane.
Oh.
We're about to get both of us in. Screw our front door. Yeah, we're in. Yeah. Oh. Holy crap. Oh my god. No. No. No, my socks. Dude, who knows what's in those waters? Could be a crocodile, could be a shark. Oh. Should we take our shoes off?
Oh, the power doesn't work. No. Kyle, what do you mean? Disgusting.
What'd you balance on, bro? On the canoe?
No, I didn't. The canoes, it would have collapsed.
I know, that's what I'm
There's
saying.
a
How'd
there's
you
a there's a bar. You see that step stool? I
Oh.
put half my feet there, hopped on here, put my foot here, and then came around this.
My friend's a Ninja Turtle, bro.
Bro, I've never seen the upstairs.
Hey, it's not bad up here, alright?
Yellow.
Dude.
Oh no.
Dude, I don't know.
I don't know what that is.
I did actually listen to boys, but I need to get new shoes. Yeah, thanks, Jack.
Yeah, what a stupid ass idea, Jack.
Wait, is that the guy from?
Maybe.
That's not the guy.
I just don't think you know him.
He's not the guy who owns Pizza Time, right? That wasn't him.
I don't think that.
Jack, that was a homeless man.
I mean, the guy who.
Why?